Hello and welcome, Victor here from Automotive Crewe. Today showing you around this Ford Kuga 1.5T EcoBoost ST-Line. Finished in silver and powered by a 1.5-litre petrol engine delivering 150 PS paired with manual transmission. The Kuga offers sporty looks with everyday versatility. The ST-Line trim adds serious road presence to the Kuga, starting with the full body styling kit and a sporty front bumper. Halogen headlights and LED daytime running lights provide strong visibility, and the 18-inch alloys strike a great balance between sharp styling and smooth controlled ride. At the back, twin exhaust and rear diffuser bring sporty flair, while the wide opening tailgate makes access in the boot straightforward. Boot practicality is a standout feature. The flexible 60/40 split folding rear seats and multi-step recline function mean you can adapt the layout to suit your lifestyle. Rear passengers are treated to thoughtful comfort touches, including supportive seating, up-down adjustable headrest, and rear ISOFIX mounts. The rear reclining seat backs ensure everyone finds their sweet spot on longer journeys. Inside the cabin, the Kuga feels both sporty and well appointed. The front seats include manual height and lumbar adjustment for the comfort, while alloy pedals, red stitching and dark headliner all elevate the ST-Line ambience. You will find a multifunctional steering wheel with red stitching and mounted controls paired with a clean and user-friendly dashboard layout. The center console provides easy access to infotainment and settings, while the instrument cluster gives clear driving data. On board, you will find dual-zone electronic automatic temperature control, which allows the driver and passenger to set individual temperatures, and the infotainment system, which consists of DAB radio with clear sound and intuitive media controls, Bluetooth connectivity, as well as mobile apps, allowing access to supported apps via sync-free, integrated satellite navigation, and voice control to operate key functions hands-free. The driver will also benefit from the feedback from parking sensors. This has been a presentation of the Ford Kuga 1.5T EcoBoost ST-Line. For more information, visit us online or give our friendly sales team a call today.